Good morning, kids. How are you today? At the end of this lesson, you are expected to describe the changes in solid materials when they are bent, pressed, hammered, or cut. So prepare your pens, paper, and self-learning module. This is Teacher Anna saying, believe in yourself, you are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Are you all excited, kids? Now, let's begin!
Read the poem below. Can you name materials that can be bent, pressed, hammered, or cut? What are the different solid materials mentioned in the poem? What are the different ways by which these materials are changed? You have read in the story the different solid materials found at home. These materials have their own property or characteristics. A wooden cabinet can be bent because it is very tough, but they can easily be shaped. Unlike the wood cabinet, crayons and pencils are brittle. The metal key is tough, hard, and has luster. A tin can is shaped into pencil case. This means that metals are malleable, that which can be hammered into thin sheets. This property is called malleability. Metals are usually shiny and can conduct both heat and electricity. You probably observed electric wires at home. The materials used for this are copper wires. When bent and hammered into thin wires, they will change in size and shape only, but there is no new material formed. Ductility is associated with the ability of the materials to be hammered thin or stretched into wire without breaking. A ductile substance can be drawn into a wire. Solid materials can be changed in many ways, by cutting, tearing, bending, pressing, and hammering. Such actions may change the material's size, shape, texture, color, and other characteristics or properties, but no new material is formed. Let's try this activity. You will need a clay, bottle cap, iron nail, hammer, scissors, cloth, and cloth. These are the steps that you need to do. What will happen if you press a clay? Bend a plastic bottle? Cut a piece of cloth? Hammer a nail? Here's our next activity. Follow these steps. Write your answer in given table. Here's another activity you'll enjoy. Check each column where each material responds appropriately. And for our last activity, examine the different solid materials given below. Choose the physical activity that will cause the material to respond. Write the letter of the best correct answer. Thank you for listening. Keep on learning, students.